Hello dear ones, today I'm gonna show you how to sew a simple square pants from an old skirt. So this is my skirt before and this is how it will be after. Let's start sewing. Okay, first I will unstitch the waistband from the skirt. Then, after separating the waistband from the skirt, just keep it aside. As you can see, I also unstitched the sides because I want pockets as well. I will be using these shorts to trace the front and back of my pants. To trace it, just fold like this and draw a line for both sides. Now you can see the curved lines which I traced from my short to make the front and back of my pants. The next thing to do is to cut those curves. After cutting, sew the front side together and the back side together as well. I also cut the sides of the skirt, but it was not recorded. Sorry. So I finished sewing the front sides together and the back sides together. Next, flip the pants and keep front and back facing together like this. This was the sides which I told you earlier that I cut but was not recorded. And this part need to sew as well. I also did zigzag stitch to have a nice finishing. And the pockets were sewn as well, but the video was not recorded. After sewing the pockets, this is how it looks like. And lastly, sew back the waistband to the new pants. And this is the final look.